So let's look at Okuapeman on a day, boarding house, lectures, entertainment, prep, boy, girl, friends. How is it like? My friend is saying? Palais. Boy, girl, after prep, namu palais. Okay. And the fondest, and then the other fondest memory, and then the best started free to home. But I mean, general life, Okuapeman as a day, lectures, when dining hall bill, I mean, church, entertainment.
Okay. And the school is big. You have to descend and then you climb the hills to the school. So the first house you meet on your left when you are entering the school is a great Kwadade house.
Okay.
That's the yellow house. Then there is a champon house just after Kwadade.
Kwadade was from?
For people who repay and now be share Kwadade.
Oh, okay.
Okosro kakra champon ho. Na fe chino ekufu house and so.
True.
Na me yare de wo chi into hoye Dokua house. And the woman say one shadow pound to me in class because I won't papa.
And she's a moon peg guy. Because you see, one and you say it's you ho. One says you also moon peg guy. And they say approach it.
Yeah, baby, I cry for your brochure na a buy na.
About phone comes on.
That is the founder of your brochure.
Okay.
Where they will hold the abbreviate.
On the snow, only fog is over.
It's snow.
It used to.
It used to. I had those days. But environmental issues, climate change now might be article.
And the echo first now in seniors in white and brown. That's yet not O level, any A level. One was white and brown. But SS no na share brown and then blue. And then na share echo class. Now Adibako na ho ne say upia who say senior address it now to say oh ye senior. Who junior so out to say junior. You was not discipline ho ba. Cause senior be betting discipline the whole house and your teacher but one senior. Senior polish ba. Your body didn't say senior polish is coming. The whole down class will be because senior. And school more than not discipline.
But from the campus to town,
Abeng Sisiade, but first name
Mujaniko town.
Ugwang near Chiro. Mammy can't tell your headmaster be a friend of who know what car.
Agamaliza. Is he alive?
He's alive.
Oh, maybe by now he's listening. Agamaliza. Headmaster Maturi di Agamaliza. But students are the lead in the one.
What you will grow over to another came. Not the Wabas. Ocho Kroma.
Yeah.
Nick house or drive your Kroma Boko, or Namina North left and right, say, Ogan even them baby and was on them. And the discipline, we going up for the J was on your thing, Papa, and then waiting here for school. But maybe going there, but not a whole thing, say, we go. Which is additional honor na a Papa science and maths to na enona ye major in it into your accountants be brace and yedi can akano and a scientist, lawyers and so account. Into school more hot na at the children so ekosuye teacher for back classroom ebetre ade any ade enti discipline say na me dey kan wasem we duan wo dining hall so de na ye wo market day ye kodidi eno ye Thursday ye jollof ye nya ye di teacher bi ba ye say ye anwamo then na be friend jollof say anwamo but to us there na ye jollof say do na ye ko dining hall hot me ye ma to the brain so obi am person obe me say Thursday into Okuapeman na a very nice. You can enjoy the school, and we have the junior block and the senior block too as well. And we are junior, oh baby, I call class. We are senior as well, oh baby, I call class. Administration block is the middle of the school,
right? And
me and also war extreme end, or ben school field kakra. Into discipline, we do sukumwa the BBSC baby. I was say I want so fefe. My name say Major Bribia.
My boss beat
you.
Or say indeed. Always the first.
Always first.
Or see, in 2015, I organized the first ever visually impaired fashion catwalk. Hey! Yeah. For the School of the Blind at the school, another at the Novotel. It was covered by the BBC and the CNN.
Wow.
It was emceed by one Okusi. Eh? O student who was at the University of Ghana. Mr. Anochi. Hey, Catwalk.
Yes.
Charlie.
For the visually impaired.
Yeah.
Indeed, always the first.
Always first. Always first.
Oh.
Always first. Yeah.
Great,
Yeah,
great,
yeah,
great, great.
Yeah.
Auntie, normal. Okay, so after lectures, what up in church?
When you wake up in the morning,
Is it a Presbyterian school?
inside?
Methodist.
Methodist,
Yeah.
not a Catholic school.
Not a Catholic.
Okay.
So it's interdenominational.
Denominational. And I'm Muslim, so.
Ebi oho. Muslims oho.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I see mosque crowd was school mo.
Yeah, schools be,
There's mosques now.
Yeah.
There's a mosque.
schools be no more admitting Muslims. So I don't know, but now I'm saying it is open.
If you can adhere and be disciplined, you
Why
can.
You come to Okuapeman.
Over to me.
Oh, great.
So,
See that? How's entertainment like? And after
so
lectures,
you wake in the morning, you are supposed to do house chores. So you do your house chores, then you go for morning assembly.
yeah.
Then we go for morning class. Then we come back to the dining hall for breakfast. Then we continue classes. Classes close. We come take lunch. Then we go back to the dormitories for our siesta. We wake, take our bath again, prepare for supper. Then we continue with prep till late night.
Nice.
In between supper, ne prep, no, and after prep, no, now we
Money, man, me see on table.
Yeah, dining hall.
yes.
Dining hall. Yeah,
Okay.
dining hall. Yeah.
Ɛhɔ na wobɛhu sɛ nkurɔfoɔ tare
Tare mo.
ɛno ne pale
Nana deɛ na pɛsɛ bi ti o
Ɛsɛ
deɛ
bi
bi
sɛ manyɛ bi.
I want you
Ɛsɛ
to.
mampale.
Oh, nyɛ no correct.
Obi be fresh
Oh,
is
yeah,
here.
China be kind of said it there.
Ɛnti sister yɛ ase yi na ɔyɛ mi
Also, or confess
Ah,
it.
it's
No,
in
I know because 20 years ago, forget it.
Enti no ɔno sei no yɛsoma me manyɛ pale yi ba na yɛsoma me
Between her.
ɛma mekɔfrɛ
School mother smile.
school father
Our school father. That's what for school mother.
na woe unto you senior Moses say well wherever you are
Who name that message on the man?
Wamfa nkɔ senior John Kunta.
And now, remember to be punishing ma.
Yes. You should stand in the dining hall. Obenyo.
And then me pound on permit every day me punish you. And me the many be sue so far.
The dining hall be swapan.
Okay.
One yet with Juma year. So it was interesting. It's been a journey, one interesting one.
But special food be
And okay, jollof and turkey.
Hey, no more turkey.
Yeah. Thursdays.
Jollof.
They were giving
Yes.
eggs every.
Movie
We have a
Kosiasu.
school farm. We still have a school.
One of my family.
Yes.
Students and a money farm.
Say you were Greek.
Agric department.
Those who read are Greek and tea. They
Oh,
man
great.
the farm.
It's my best food was jollof.
Yeah,
turkey.
jollof.
No name. Johnny B because me is for almost some more be a friend of appendix. And then you had one and you had just two.
He said, "Nkwane na na friend gas oil."
Gaso.
Ah,
Nkwane.
the crown here, my move friend gas oil.
Gaso.
Any gas oil, Sada. Charlie.
Amwa bi wani.
Yeah, well.
Ah,
Unum sana. Unum say yenkati o say.
but those days it you ubedi. Hey, ubedi. Uni option ubedi. That's what box you need him.
It was nice.
Oh, great.
It was nice. Na yede.
If you want to grow, you ought to eat it.
Yes.